Hey friends, for the latest puzzle solution, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to be the first puzzle solver.
Welcome to our channel Puzzle Solver. The puzzle which we're gonna solve in this video is known as the Santa puzzle. So let's start solving the puzzle. Friends, let's pause this video for 30 seconds and solve this puzzle together. After solving, please post your answers in our comment section. So friends, your time starts now. Three, two, one, stop. I enjoyed solving the puzzle. Hope you also enjoyed it. Let's begin to see the correct answer. Here we go. I'll first take my first equation, which has 3 Christmas tree, and these Christmas trees are having 5 layers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 3 Christmas tree and whose sum is equal to 15. On solving this equation, we will get 3 into 1 Christmas tree is equal to 15. So 1 Christmas tree is equal to 15 by 3 is equal to 5. So by the end of first equation, we have got value of 1 Christmas tree which has 5 layers is equal to 5. So if 5 layers is equal to 5, so 1 layer will be equal to 5 divided by 5 is equal to 1. So by the end of first equation, we have two values, that is 1 Christmas tree which has got 5 layers is equal to 5, or 1 layer is equal to 1. Now jumping on to our second equation. In the second equation, we have got 2 wheels and 1 Christmas tree of 5 layers and whose sum is equal to 17. Now from the first equation, we have value of Christmas tree whose layer is 5 is equal to 5. Putting that value in this equation and solving this equation for the value of wheels. So solving this equation, 2 into wheel is plus 5 is equal to 17. So wheel is equal to 17 minus 5 divided by 2, that is equal to 6. So one wheel value is equal to 6. Now we need to check the divisions present in the wheel. It has got 6 divisions. So 6 divisions value is equal to 6. So friends, if 6 division is equal to 6, so 1 division would be equal to 1. So this is end of our second equation. Now jumping on to our third equation. In the third equation, we have got 1 penguin, 1 wheel which has got 6 divisions and 1 Christmas tree which has 5 layers on it and whose sum is equal to 14. Now putting the value of wheel and Christmas tree into the equation and solving this equation for the value of penguin. So penguin plus 6 division of wheel, if 1 division equal to 1, so 6 division would be equal to 6. Penguin plus 6 plus 5 is equal to 14. So penguin will be equal to 14 minus 5 minus 6. So penguin is equal to 3. So this is end of our third equation. Now putting all these values in our fourth equation. In the fourth equation, we have got 1 Christmas tree which has got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 layers plus 2 penguins into 1 wheel which has got 5 division, which is equal to gift. So putting the value of the items present in the picture. So first picture has a Christmas tree which has got 6 layers. So if 1 layer is equal to 1, so 6 layers will be equal to 6. 6 plus 2 penguin. If value of 1 penguin is 3, so 2 penguin value would be 2 into 3 into 1 wheel which has got 5 division. So friends, if 1 division is equal to 1, so 5 division will be equal to 5. Now we have to solve this equation using BODMAS rule, and according to the BODMAS, firstly we have to solve the brackets present in the equation, then multiplication and then addition. So firstly I'll open this bracket. For opening the bracket, I need to solve the equation present inside the bracket, and it has 2 into 3. So 2 into 3 will be equal to 6. So 6 plus 6 into 5. Now I have to do the multiplication followed by addition. So 6 plus 30 will be equal to 36. So friends, this is end of our last equation. In the last equation we have got one gift, and one gift is equal to 36. So two gifts will be equal to 2 into 36 is equal to 72. So friends, 72 is the final answer. Hence we have solved this puzzle. Thank you friends. Thank you for being with us. If you liked the puzzle, please give us a thumbs up. Please share it with your family and friends, and do subscribe to our channel for more interesting puzzles and riddles. Thank you. Bye bye.